Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, back with the next update again. Me see where Colaz go a dolly stand this time. And the man do great work down there with supplies to help the people them. And me only hope when come out and talk the good way the man do now, because our day when him have to drive way, a whole heap of things I say about him. But me only hope so when see the good way the man do now, I want to can run out with that now and say, yeah man, him do something, because people always see the negative of what people do, and see one little mistake or one little error where they make, and then use that for beat them and beat them bad too. But me only hope when I come out and talk now and say, yeah, the youth do well, him do good. And it's just funny how people, no matter what good you do, people no normally see it, But you see, for you make a mistake or some misfortune reach you, it then run with that, it then capitalize span.